Today we are getting a truck. It's an old Ford F-150. I found it on Facebook Marketplace for not that much. Although it is rusted and faded to Jesus and back, it was reasonably cheap. I am running a little low on diesel, so I got to make a pit stop. Got myself a monster. But holy cow, this thing is worse in person. Just look at how much rust there is on this thing. And the tires are dry rotted. I'm glad I got a winch on my trailer. I will say one thing though, this will be a good project truck. Well, boys, we got the truck. Comment down below for names and what we should do with it. But as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.